Hello, I'm Chris Matthews and I'm Head of Sustainability at United Utilities and also the Vice Chair of Greater Manchester's local nature partnership, which we call the Natural Capital Group. And I'm very pleased to have this opportunity to record a short video to welcome the relaunch of the local nature partnership in Lancashire. Now, wearing my United Utilities hat, we have a set of challenges around water, which is to manage too much water, too little water, and water of the right quality. But actually they are problems that we cannot solve on our own. We need to work with partners in a collaborative way in order to be able to address those real challenges. So it's fantastic to hear that the local nature partnership in Lancashire will be back up and running, and it will be a collaborative body that we can work with to see how we can tackle those important challenges, how we can reduce the amount of water that we use so there's enough to go around for everybody, how we can ensure that we better manage, say, surface water, so we can reduce the risk of flooding, so catastrophic for communities in Lancashire and across the region, and also water of the right quality, that really important contribution to biodiversity, the health and well-being of our rivers and waterways, and of course the interactions that we as people have with those waterways as well. Having that water of the right quality is essential, and working in partnership with many bodies, including the local nature partnership, will be essential for us to achieve those objectives. If I put on the hat of the Vice Chair of the Greater Manchester Local Nature Partnership, then what I've found while I've been in that role for 4 or 5 years now is again the importance of collaboration and working with partners, and actually making sure that together we can deliver more than if we're individual organisations. The Natural Capital Group has achieved some really fantastic things in recent years, including securing many millions of euro of European money to look at water quality issues, actually more European money to look at different ways of financing green outcomes, because that's really important, that the money and the economic models underpin doing the right thing. And we're making some real progress in Greater Manchester, and there are many lessons that can be learned from our work that can apply to Lancashire. But the ones that I would call out are in particular how when partners come together around a common set of objectives, where there's an excitement and enthusiasm, a belief and a passion for those objectives, new ways of solving problems can be found. And if Lancashire can set up its body in this way, where it has the right partners with the right objectives, working closely together, I'm absolutely convinced it can do the great work that I'm seeing down in Greater Manchester. So I wish the local nature partnership well. It has the full support of United Utilities, it has the full support of Greater Manchester's local nature partnership, and hopefully together we will make the natural environment of the North West a much better place.